Hi friends, welcome to my channel B.Ed Education by Arshia. We all know that Karnataka TET results have been announced, but the certificates were not yet available. But now certificates are available. So to download the certificates, we have to open the Google. Then there we have to search schooleducation.kar.nic.in. When we will search, here the websites will open. Here second website is there na, Shala Shikshana Ilakhe Karnataka Sarkara. We have to click on that. After that it will open. Then if you want to change this language into English, then here besides login English is there, we have to click there. Then this page will translate into English. Okay, then here CA cell is there here, so we have to click here. When we will click here, it will open. After that here Kartet process is given, see here, so there we can click. When we will click, it will open. After that here Prakatane Karnataka TET 2021 results. Here first line is given, so we have to click on this results. Then here download Karnataka TET eligibility certificate for qualified candidates only. Here we have to click. Then here we have to enter our application number. Then we have to enter our date of birth. Then we have to click on submit. Okay, when we will submit, here we will get the certificate. So here we have to click download certificate. Okay, when we will click, it will be downloaded.